Want a powerful drone without spending hundreds of dollars? Today, I'll show you the top 5 best drones under $100 in 2025 that deliver pro-level features at a budget price. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an affordable drone with 4K cameras, GPS, obstacle avoidance, and stable flight, you don't need to break the bank. In this video, we'll review the top 5 best drones under $100, covering product details, real customer feedback, and pros, so you can pick the best one for your next adventure. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. L600 Pro MAX Drone. The L600 Pro Max comes with a 4K dual camera setup, 3-axis PTZ stabilization, and GPS positioning for smooth flight. It also has obstacle avoidance sensors and a brushless motor for better durability. Reviews? Users say it performs like a premium drone at a budget price, with stable GPS lock and smooth footage. Pros? 4K HD dual camera, 3-axis PTZ stabilization, GPS plus obstacle avoidance, brushless motor for stability. Number 2. Xiaomi V198 GPS Drone. This drone packs an 8K HD professional camera, laser obstacle avoidance, and 5G Wi-Fi transmission for lag-free video. It's foldable and portable, perfect for travelers. Reviews? Buyers love the sharp image quality and say it's great for beginners and hobbyists who want pro-like shots without spending big. Pros? 8K HD camera, laser barrier avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi live transmission, foldable design. Number 3. V168 Pro MAX Drone. The V168 Pro Max offers 8K resolution, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and a large screen controller for real-time viewing. With brushless motors and GPS, it ensures smooth, accurate flying. Reviews? Customers highlight its long range and smooth FPV experience, saying it feels more premium than its price tag. Pros? 8K Ultra HD camera, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, large screen remote controller. Number 4. GT8 4K HD Drone. The GT8 drone comes with a 4K HD camera, foldable design, and real-time screen on the controller. Its obstacle avoidance makes it beginner-friendly while offering reliable aerial footage. Reviews? Owners appreciate its easy controls and portability, saying it's a great entry-level drone for under $100. Pros? 4K HD camera, built-in screen controller, obstacle avoidance, foldable for travel. Number 5. L900 Pro 4K Drone. The L900 Pro features dual 4K cameras, 5G Wi-Fi, and a flight distance of up to 1.2 kilometers, impressive for a budget drone. It's foldable and equipped with GPS for accurate positioning. Reviews? Users say it's one of the best value drones under $100, with smooth video transmission and long-range capabilities. Pros? Dual 4K cameras, 1.2 kilometers flight distance, GPS positioning, foldable and portable. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And there you have it, the top 5 best drones under $100 in 2025. If you want professional level video quality, go with the Xiaomi V198 or V168 Pro Max. For budget-friendly beginners, the GT8 is a fantastic starter choice. And for the best overall value, the L900 Pro stands out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product reviews. Question of the day. Would you use your drone more for travel vlogs or just for fun flying? Comment below, I'd love to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.